Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to define composite stacking layout in Abaqus. First, we have our structure, our part, pipe on composite. We have our part, solid part. We need to add composite to our structure. First we have this part and we have property of composite. We have lamina type of composite elastic material. Let's go to create composite layout, add a name composite layout pipe, initial play count. We need, for example, to add 10 layer in our pipe, in our structure. We need to use element type in our, we have 3D solid, not shell. We need to use continuum shell because we have solid part with 3D continue. And let's go to add parameters in this table. Select region, edit region, and select the wall part. Material, edit material, composite. Relative thicknesses of each layer 0.25. For example, we have 10 layer in our structure. That means the thicknesses in this layer stacking equal to 2.5 millimeter. The thicknesses calculated by processing and post-processing in Abaqus is this thicknesses, the sum of all these thicknesses, not the sum of all thicknesses in the parts in the module. Not take these thicknesses depending to their value, but take these value, the sum of these value. Now we need to add rotation angle. Let's add 0 degree. Click OK. Now integration point. Let's use 1, for example, depending to your problem. The main option in this structure is the direction, reference direction is in this side. We need to change this reference direction to this side, that, or we need to add the main direction is this side of circular side, depending. That means we need to young modulus the circular young modulus in the main direction in this circular side, because in our part, let's represent the main direction is in the this side, in the x direction, but we need to discrete the direction with the circular, depending to the geometry of our pipe, the circular side or circular direction. Let's go to global part. The definition of stacking is depending to global part. The main direction is the x direction, but we need to add discrete property, discrete side, to use main direction. Discrete, nominal axis, primary axis. Let's define. We need to select in this option the main direction and the second direction, or nominal axis or primary axis. In this side, let's select, for example, these two sides, faces. Click done, and now we have nominal axis is depending to our structure and depending to our surface we selected. And let's select Primary axis edges, we need to select these two circular edges, click done. Now the reference point is depending to our shape or our circular side. Click continue, click OK. Let's edit. Now, as you can see here, the reference the reference direction is depending to our geometry, is circular geometry. Click OK. I hope you enjoy with this video. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and like this video. See you in the next video.